What are the challenges you have faced in your experience? I have explained, but they are not convincing. So how can we answer that question? Can you please help me on that?
Implementing RPA challenges and obstacles. Now, this is one document that I would ask everyone to follow, and this will be helpful for you. Let me just give this document access. I'm giving the link in the chat. Go ahead and check it. Well, the answer for that question is, see, when you say challenge, it means that there is some obstacle that's not helping a smooth execution of our code. Now, what are the requirements for development of a particular project? You need to have enough documentation. You need to have proper applications. You need to have proper versions, as well as you need to have non-prod licenses and non-prod access. Now, at each and every stage, you can face some difficulties. Now, in the initial stage, SME may not give you the complete information, and after a part of development, he comes back and says that, okay, this is missing in the requirement, so please go ahead and add. Now you need to go back and see if there is a timeline change that's required. If there is a timeline change that's required, then you need to communicate it better. That's a part of initial documentation phase. Now, when you're going with the development phase, now the application that some automations, though we think that it's easy to automate, when we are trying to work on it, selectors may not work. And we may need to go back and tell them that these are not the proper selectors that we are getting. And either we can go with image automation, which may not be 100% successful, or if there is any other route we need to check on. During the deployment phase, you can say that after the deployment, there are some upgrades in the application for the automation. Now, initially, we need to agree that there will not be any changes in the application for after the deployment. That's how the automation should go forward. If there are changes, automation may fail. And this is one more challenge. Then we must clearly explain client that this is what happened and we need some more time to make some changes. Now, this is what, or explain the challenges is what an experienced professional will give a better answer than someone who read it from online. Even if you try to read some, like I have asked some Excel inputs, right? Like what are the challenges faced? Like there is huge amount of data. Then how will you solve it? Like I have solved it initially with thought of getting the data over Excel workbook activities, but it's failing. Then we went with database activities. And it was during my initial learning curve. And after that, it was easy for me. Like you must try to explain in a convincing way to the interviewer. That's how you can explain. Again, obstacles or problems cannot be only in one stage. It can be in multiple stages at multiple levels.
Yeah, thank you, Vajra.